Question number 8, has been given here. The diagram is there. The diagram shows a triangular prism of length 12 centimeter. This is the length of this rectangular face of this triangular prism, and that is equal to 10 centimeter. This length, which is hypotenuse, this is equal to 10 centimeter. The height of this prism, that is equal to 6, and the breadth of the rectangular face of the prism, that is equal to 8 centimeter. So what we need to do, on the grid, draw a net of this prism. Use a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 2 centimeter. One face has been drawn for you, has been given here. This one of the face, the rectangular face has been given here. Okay, length is 12 centimeter, so 6 units will be for the length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because 1 centimeter represent 2 units on this grid. So 6 centimeter represent 12 units on the grid. So the length is 12 units. So we will need 6 centimeter on this grid. Okay. Second, the breadth is 8 centimeter, and 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter are being given here. 4 to the 8. So one of the face, which is the rectangular face, that has been drawn for us here, and we have to draw the net of the remaining side. So what we will need to do is to open this box, this triangle, to open this triangular prism. Okay, this side, 3 of the side, we need to open this one, and then we will find the net of this triangular prism. So if I draw the net of this triangular prism on this diagram, so how it will be, वही हमारे पास इस तरह से हो जाएगा. देखिए, अगर मैं इसको, ये कितना है 6 सेंटीमीटर, जब मैं इसको ओपन करूंगा, so what will happen, this face, which is the height, this face, you see this face, this whole face, this will lie on the floor. Okay, so look at this will become like this one. 6 centimeter, you have to 8 centimeter, and this is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, here also we need to 6 centimeter here, 6 centimeter. Now join this. Okay, and this is equal to 12 centimeter. So for this side, for this face, we will draw okay 6 centimeter, that should be 6 centimeter, and this one should be 10 centimeter. Okay, this side should be 10 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter. For this face, we will draw 6 centimeter, and this side should be equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, 10 centimeter. So this is the net of this triangular prism. If I draw this one on the grid here, so I will need 3 centimeter for the 6 units. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 centimeter for the 6 units, because 1 centimeter shows 2 units hai. So 3 centimeter will show 6 units. Here, this one, okay, I think I need a different color here. Do it again. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, and 3. This is equal to 12. This is equal to 6 units. Okay, for this we need 3 here. 1, 2, 3, and this will become 6 units. 6 units, and this will become 12 units. I am sure 10 units. Sorry, it has been given here. It is 10. Okay, it has been given here 10 units. So this is 10 units. draw 6 centimeter line here and join this with this one. Oh, sorry. Okay, it is also 10 units. So this is the net of this triangular prism. Okay. Uh, que- Question number 9. The student in a school choose a piece of fruit to eat with their lunch. They can choose from either an apple, a banana, or an orange. On Monday, Claudia recorded the fruit chosen by 30 of her classmates. Their choices are given below. So these are the choices. These are the fruits that has been chosen by 30 of the classmates of Claudia. Okay. So part 1, complete the frequency table for the data. Okay, apple. Frequency means how many students have chosen apple and how many students have chosen banana, how many students have chosen orange. So just count this one. Apple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so 10. This is the frequency of an apple. Banana, okay, different. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 for banana. Okay, and now orange. The remaining are the orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. So 30 fruits are being given here. So this is the frequency. Apple has the frequency of 10, banana has the frequency of 8 and orange has the frequency of 12. On the grid below, draw a bar chart to show the data. Okay, now we need to draw a bar chart here. Now, so the first one is the apple. Okay, and let me draw the color for the apple. That is the blue one. Okay, so for apple, yes. मेरा ख्याल में अगर हम उसके लिए 2 ब्लॉक्स ले 10 है तो हम 2 ब्लॉक्स ले लेते हैं. वैसे ही ये हमारे पास ये बार ग्राफ में, और इसमें डिफरेंस ये है कि हमने बार ग्राफ के तो दरमियान में स्पेस देना होता है. अब जो बनाना है, बनाने का जो कलर है वो आई एम श्योर वो कुछ ओके सॉरी ब्लैक है, तो हमने ब्लैक चूज करना है उसके लिए. लेट्स है, और ये हाँ वो 8 है तो हमारे पास ये वाला आ जाएगा. ये बनाना आ जाएगा, बनाना. ठीक. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है वो है ग्रीन है और वो ऑरेंज है. एक ब्लॉक छोड़ दीजिएगा और वो 12 है. 12 आ रहा है तो 12 हमारे पास ये बन जाएगा. यानी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 12. So ये ऑरेंज हमारे पास आ रहा है. ठीक है, तो ये हमने बार ग्राफ उसके लिए ड्रॉ कर दिया. ठीक है, नाउ Part B of this question. On Tuesday, Ahmed recorded the fruit chosen by a random sample of 30 students in the lunch queue. His results are shown in the table below. ठीक है, अब 30 students हैं, उन्होंने Tuesday वाले दिन जो fruit choose कर लिए वो ये वाले already given है. तो कहते हैं use Ahmed's results to estimate the probability that a student selected at random chooses an orange. तो orange की probability कितनी है जो स्टूडेंट ने सेलेक्ट किया. तो ऑरेंज की प्रोबेबिलिटी अगर आप देख लेते हैं तो ये 7 आ रहा है. मैं इसको अगर यू लिख दूँ, इसको ब्लैक कलर से कर दूँ, ये प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ऑरेंज मेरे पास आ रहा है, दैट इज इक्वल टू ऑरेंज कितने बच्चों ने सेलेक्ट किया हुआ है, 7 ने आउट ऑफ 30. तो जो सैम्पल स्पेस है वो 30 है टोटल, और जिन लोगों ने प्रोबेबिलिटी जो सेलेक्ट ऑरेंज को सेलेक्ट किया हुआ दैट इज इक्वल टू 7. तो 7/30 इज द आंसर. ठीक है. There is a total of 180 students in the school. Use Ahmed result to estimate the number of students in the school who chooses an apple on Tuesday. How many students have chosen apple? 8 students have been chosen an apple on Tuesday. So what will be the probability? What will be the total number of students out of 180? Okay. So टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास आए. देखिए जो प्रोबेबिलिटी है एप्पल की वो 8 आउट ऑफ 30 स्टूडेंट्स ने एप्पल को चूज कर लिया ट्यूसडे वाले दिन. अगर हमारे पास स्टूडेंट 30 के बजाय 180 हो जाए तो नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स कितने आ जाएंगे? 1 ज़ा 30, 6 ज़ा 18, तो 6 8 ज़ा 48 इज द आंसर. ठीक है. तो ये हमारे पास टोटल 48 स्टूडेंट्स ने एप्पल आउट ऑफ 180 एप्पल को चूज कर लिया.